Hi all, welcome back to the Beauty Blossom. I hope you all are doing great, and today I am here to unbox Glamego box for the month of May 2017. I just got this box sometime back and I thought I'll unbox it with you. You can see the package is torn off a bit, and yeah, I'll just remove this packaging and let's see what we have in this. People who don't know what is Glamego box, it's a new subscription box which started 2 months ago, and it is affordable subscription box where you get all full-size products, about 4 to 5 products, and there was a launch offer of about 199 rupees per month for this box, but now they have changed it. The price of this box is changed now to 299 rupees per month. Got a card, info card, which says about this month's theme. This month's theme is time to pamper, and we have got all these products in this bubble wrap, so that's nice. Let me just unwrap that quickly. This is a Bio Bloom bath care handmade soap, and this is in fragrance lavender, and this is a full-size product of 100 grams. This soap is 125 rupees, and this is handmade sulfate free soap. I see is a McAfee face wash, paraben free product, and of 50 ml, and this cost is about 199 rupees. So this is not tested on animals and paraben free, so that's something nice. And but it has SLES in it, liquidy consistency. The smell is similar to neem. I see in this box is Soap Square crushed roses bath salt at foot soak, and this is a spa quality blend of Himalayan and Epsom salts, and this is to provide deep relaxation. So you can either use it as a bath salt or use it as a foot soak, so that's something nice. It's a two-way product, and this is retail for 400 rupees. Use it as a foot soak. You have to use 2 to 3 teaspoons into a bowl of water on preferred temperature, and soak your feet for 15 to 30 minutes. And if you want to use it as a bath salt, you have to fill the bath salt or a bathtub with this 4 to 5 spoons below the running water, and then you can enjoy this spa. And it is from Vedic line. This is a Choco Strawberry Lip Cream, and this is of 15 ml, and this is retailed at 85 rupees. So let me just open this one. The lip cream is, and this is made of Choco Strawberry. I don't know, there is no lid on top of it. So, and I don't like this smell. It's like not completely pure chocolate, it's like chemically chocolate one. I don't know, I've never used any Vedic products. All the things what I've got in this month's box. So if you like this video, you have to hit that like button, and if you're not my subscriber, just go and subscribe now. And also you have a small bell button beside the subscribe button. Just hit that button so you can get notified on all my videos. And thank you all for your support. Take care, have a great day, love you all, bye bye.